Today we're going to be talking about the encyclopedia, how it started, its purpose, and its effect on the world.
What is it? It is a book of 28 volumes that includes scientific, technical, and historical knowledge. It carries a strong undertone of criticism towards societies and politicians. It embodies the skeptical, rational, and scientific spirit of the Age of Enlightenment. It was edited by Denis Diderot. However, it was not the first encyclopedia, but it was the first to have a renowned list of contributors or to be a positive force for social progress. How the encyclopedia started. In the mid-1700s, a pair of French writers set out to organize all human knowledge. They called their project the Encyclopédie, and it was a translation and massive expansion of the English Cyclopedia. Denis Diderot was the driving force behind the project. It was accompanied by 𝔤𝔠𝔢 𝔈𝔫𝔠𝔶𝔠𝔩𝔬𝔫 until 1759. There were two different publications of the Encyclopédie, which consisted of the first 17 volumes being published between 1751 and 1765, and the other 11 volumes published by 1772. Who contributed for it? As we said, there was a large number of renowned French philosophers who contributed to the making of the Encyclopédie, some of which are Voltaire, Montesquieu, and Rousseau. They were all collectively known as the encyclopedists. The idea of the Encyclopédie started in the early 1745, when a prospectus for the Encyclopédie was published to attract subscribers to the project. This 4-page prospectus was illustrated by Jean-Michel Papillon and accompanied by a plan, stating that the work would be published in 5 volumes from June 1746 until the end of 1748. The text was translated by Mills and Celius, and was corrected by an unnamed person, who appears to have been Denis Diderot. Although it was edited in Paris, the Encyclopédie became very widely known and read about. It included religious and political controversy, the study of politics and society, as well as the study of science and technology. The Encyclopédie also had effects socially and politically. The Encyclopédie revived the women's rights movement, leading to the right for women to vote. In a few short years, it supported traditional ideas, reinforcing the absolute authority of the Church and rejected constitutional monarchies, as well as reinforcing the authority of absolute monarchs, and encouraged support for ideals like freedom of religion and criticized institutions like slavery. 25,000 multi-volume sets were sold before the Revolution, about half of them outside of France. Within France itself, the Encyclopédie had become an international language, understood by educated persons all over Europe. The privileged groups of whom the encyclopedists were most critical was the clergy and the nobility, who read it, or at least purchased it, far out of proportions to their numbers as a whole.